Hey guys, how's it going? How to resolve login issues on Kraken. So if you're trying to log in with your account and you're having many issues or you have any issues, just go back to your screen and go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. Make sure that you updated your Kraken wallet and Kraken Pro to the latest version so you can have access to all the new features. If it didn't, go back to your screen, go to your settings, and then go ahead to the general, okay, and go ahead to the software update and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. If you still facing that issue, what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down to the date and time, and then make sure that you set the date and time automatically. And basically what you're gonna do next, if the problem persists, go to the VPN and device management, and then you're gonna make sure that you disconnect the VPN. If you're still facing that issue, go ahead to the iPhone storage, okay, and then you're gonna try to pin down Kraken, okay, and try to pin down Kraken. Let me just type Kraken, okay, and you're gonna upload the app, and by uploading the app you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app, and you're gonna be able to get back to it, of course, later. And basically that's it, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.